Welcome back. In this second video, we're going to actually look at our first design concept for New Zealand Maritime School. I just wanted to show you a part of the website success guide and how we identify the perfect prospects, which are the clients for the website. So in this example, the main type of client we're targeting is school leavers. They're mostly male, around about 17, and they live in the North Island. And then we go to the second perfect prospect, which is professionals that need to upgrade their skills. And then what we do is once we know who our customers are, then we can create the sitemap. So in this example, we have identified the calls to action that need to be on the home page, and all the other components that need to be on the home page. And then we identify what needs to be within the rest of the website, the different categories, and what needs to be in the About Us section, on the contact page, and so forth. So let's have a look at the design. So this area here is called a feature box, and the nice thing about this is you can do a promotion and upload it yourself with a photo and some text and change it monthly. So in the beginning of the year when you're taking new enrollments, you'll probably want to do an enroll now call to action or feature, and what happens is it automatically drops down and then shows the next feature, and if the user wants, they can click next or previous to see the different promotions that you're talking about. We also wanted the live video on the home page, so when people go there they can see what the weather's like in Auckland and also see ships coming into the harbour from the NZ Maritime School. And then we have our main calls to action down here. So first we're targeting school leavers, and then we're targeting people who need to upgrade their skills in the industry. In the website success guide, we identified a website description of 22 words or less, and as I noted in the website success guide, the reason that we do that is because this is what will show up on search engines. So if somebody's searching for Maritime School and they find you, this will be the description they see. It's also good for staff because if anybody asks who's NZ Maritime School, they can easily say NZ Maritime School in Auckland provides training and certification and licenses in all aspects of the marine industry, foreign going and local. And then under that we have a few words from the director, just welcoming people to the website. The next calls to action we have go into a bit more detail, and we also explain this idea of foreign going engineer. Though it may be a common term in the industry, for school leavers they actually have no idea what that means. So we say foreign going engineer, travel the world as an engineer, and then we can give them more information, and they'll actually go through to a page that'll give them information about that and show a video as well of somebody talking about it. And the same with these calls to action here as well. Now, to show that you're a global school, down the bottom here we have times of the different ports around the world. The next image I'm going to show you is what an internal page will look like. So I'm just opening that now. So here's an internal page. I'll just resize that to make it look a bit better. Around about there. That'll do. And what we can do with the top of the page is we make it a bit smaller so we can see more screen real estate, but we can still have calls to action. They don't need to be these ones, but if the internal page was about students signing up, it might have click here to talk with one of our live support team. And then on the right hand side over here, we can add any type of menu area you want. So if this was actually the staff page, it might have a list of all the staff resources. If it's a student page, it might have the seat time calculator or something like that. So that's an example of our first design concept. It's by no means our last design concept, but it's the starting point for future designs for the New Zealand Maritime School.